Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. Are you trying to upload a video on Facebook but it keeps showing running copyright screen and never finishes? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this issue in just a few easy steps. Firstly, tap on Facebook for few seconds. Now, click on icon. Now, click on storage and cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to the home page. Open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom tap on the search icon and search for Facebook. Now update it if not, and your problem will be resolved. And if you still face the problem, then open the Facebook app. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on three horizontal lines. Scroll down and log out the ID and log it again. And that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.